These pop-on veneers are mind-blowing.
And you can get the same smile right at home. So what happens is whenever you purchase pop-on veneers, they send you a impression kit where you do your own molds of your mouth right in the comfort of your own home. And it's wonderful. It's so easy. You just do the step-by-step in the mold instructions, the impression instructions. Once you're done with your molds of your mouth, you'll do 3 molds. You will send the molds right back into the box that they give you. And once they receive your impressions, you will get your veneers, you will get this smile in 2 weeks at your doorstep, delivered to you, personally designed for your mouth and for your teeth. The veneers snap right over your existing teeth and you're good to go. It is super simple. It's super easy. It's honestly super affordable too. If you think about the investment that you're giving yourself, you literally cannot put a price tag on it, and it's less than $500 for both arches. They accept payment plans, they have Afterpay, Klarna. They have so many different payment options. You can pay as little as $29 bi-weekly, monthly. They really want to work with you, and you can get it in the comfort of your own home, guys. Go check out Pop-On Veneers.